Yeah, it's Belle. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. This one's going to start with the next in line for my weekly vlog. So this will be in November. I think November 15th through the 21st. Because day, 4? Of Vlogmas was only a few minutes. So I'm going to add that on to the end of this one. So this will be a weekly vlog with day 4 of Vlogmas at the end of it. And it's still not a very long vlog, so hope y'all enjoy it. It is Tuesday, November 15th. That's some book mail I want to give. Oh yeah, I want to. Oh yay! Giveaway on Instagram, and it had the 3rd book, The Nightmares of Weirdwood. I know there's 3. I don't know if this will be the last book or not. I just wanted to share that. Hobby Lobby order, some that came in. 2 children came broke, so I had to message Hobby Lobby, but for now, he was broken at his legs, so I glued them back together. Her top of her hat was off. I'm waiting for that to dry. I forgot to say this is something else in that. Back to the Past puzzle. Christmas story. I added this new wreath. I love my other one that I've had forever. I keep it in a case so it stays pretty, but I put it on the back because I always wanted one that lighted up. There was another one I liked better, but it was twice the amount, and I'm just not this year. So I really love this, and it's a timer, so. That spray snow, my husband said I used it once before, but I don't remember. But I've got it around all the windows and stuff, so I really like that. Oh, and this was from the Walmart order too. And they didn't cost a lot at Walmart, and I just like this one. Alright, y'all, it's Monday, November 21st, and I just got some book mail, so I thought I'd open it. It's from Penguin Random House, and it's 2 arcs. I'm so excited. The first one is a graphic novel, The Moth Keeper by Kay O'Neill, and it goes on sale in March of next year, 2023. So excited. And then one of my very highly anticipated releases for next year, it goes on sale in April of 2023. The first in the Momo Arashima series, Steals the Sword of the Wind, by Misa Suguru. Look at the little. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. And there's one more, and it also says it's from Penguin Random House. Oh, yay! It's the 2nd book. I have the 1st book I bought for myself, or they had a catch-up option, and I already had the 1st book, so I didn't select that. But the 2nd book, I think the 3rd book should be coming. I think that's what it was, and I was catching up on the 2nd because I didn't have this one. And it's a naked hardback, and it's full of beautiful illustrations. I'm so excited to binge them all together. And the 3rd, Honest June, comes out April 4th. And because I went back and looked, and this was the catch up in case you need to be caught up on books 1 and 2, and I already had book 1, so I just requested book 2, and then of course book 3 for when it comes out. I'm not sure when they'll send that one since it doesn't come out till April, I don't know if they'll send an ARC like they did the other releases for next year, or if they'll wait till closer to release, but the third one does come out now. Wow, thank you, Penguin Random House. That is so awesome. I'm so excited. Thank you. That was so awesome. Alright, y'all, that's it for this weekly vlog. And now we will go into Bookmas, Vlogmas Day 4. Hey, y'all, it's Belle. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Day 4 of Bookmas, Vlogmas. Husband has today off, so I don't know how well this will go. We're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. I guess some steaks too, because we never had our anniversary dinner. So we're gonna have that and just get some stuff done. So today's Ferris Bueller shirt. Hope y'all are enjoying the vlogs. Y'all, that's it for Day 4. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We didn't have any meat for breakfast, so we just improvised, just made some eggs, and my husband made the hash browns, kind of like a McDonald's in theory, but just packed together. I can only get those Oreos at Christmas, so I got some more since it's the only Oreos I like. One of my gifts, well, I got these 3 trunks. They're the only ones I could find that I liked, but the lids of them still weren't the right color that I needed, but the rest of it was perfect. So I'm staining the lid to match better. The littlest and the biggest are gonna be for my pup. Like the littlest, I'll have stuff I don't want to put away that I want to get out and look at every now and then. And I'll have a place in the living room for it, maybe have a little blanket on top, and I'll put her urn in there when we're in the living room. And then the biggest one will go in the bedroom where I put the bed I kept out for her. And I'll put a blanket on top of that. And then I'll vacuum seal that bed up. That's the bed, that was her first bed. But a lot of the vacuum sealed stuff that I have will go in that big one. Then the medium sized one will go in the living room, and it's where I'm gonna put all like the blankets that we're not using, especially since I'm not using that ladder in here anymore. And even like the Halloween and Christmas ones I'll put in there. But that stain turned out really well. I'm really happy with that. I got different clips because I had some at Walmart for $1 something, but they still wouldn't hold on. They wouldn't hold on to the picture good. But then they had these mini clothespins, and those do perfect. So, and I had to get more Fujifilm and print more photos. So I love how that came out. So I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and are enjoying Bookmas, Vlogmas. If you'd like to subscribe, I would love that if you'd like to, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.